Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we begin, taking a look at Pepe here, which a lot of people have been requesting recently. I just did want to ask you to like and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. Takes like 5 seconds and I'd really appreciate it if you want to support the channel. And with that being said, let's take a look at the chart. So we can see here with Pepe, this is a crypto that hasn't been around for very long. Obviously a meme coin that's been doing extremely well recently. A lot of people talking about it and how prolific it has been. And I mean, you can't really argue with that considering what we have been seeing. But I'm just going to draw in a few key levels here that we can see for Pepe that we are looking at here. I mean, really, there's probably a key level like this, this, and this. And then obviously we do have that swing high that we're currently, you know, a little bit stuck under there, where the rally has stopped recently. But obviously meme coins, just like cryptos, but especially meme coins, are driven on total hype and, you know, interest basically from the public. I've been seeing this non-stop on Twitter recently, and people have been asking me to cover it basically all the time. Obviously these coins are worth basically nothing one by one. You can see this is basically 0.000000006. So it's going to be very difficult for me to talk about actual specific price points. So I'm just going to talk about the key kind of levels that we are seeing here. Obviously right now Pepe just having an absolute rally, as you would expect with meme coins. They do tend to have a lot of momentum once they get going on Twitter, etc. This is the hourly time frame, and you can see here we only have price data back to Wednesday the 19th of April, but I know for a fact that there was a lot more price data, and it basically looked something like this, where, you know, you're just down, 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 and we've had a ridiculously huge rally. I'm just going to draw this in because it basically looks something like this, where you're just crazy low prices down here. It's already had a huge rally followed by this consolidation period, and now another breakout to the upside like this. And really, with cryptos like this, they do tend to pump in little cycles. You have like a big rally followed by consolidation followed by a big rally until they eventually, you know, either rug pull, which, you know, is entirely possible still. Not saying that will happen, but it does happen more often than you would think. And then also the other possibility, just continuing to parabolically run hockey stick formation like this, or come back, consolidate, back test, just like we've done here, something like this, and then continuation. So either you'll get something like this, where you'll come up. This is your macro. This is your I can't remember what it's called. Fragment? Ghost feed bar? I can't remember what it's called now. But there is a specific word for it, isn't it? Fractal. That's it. Your fractal. Basically, you could have your fractal like this, where, you know, we come back down here, back test, consolidate, and then get another move like that. Or we could just continue to hockey stick to the upside. Or we could get a very large dump, or even a rug pull. So interesting times indeed. Obviously in crypto you're always kind of playing with fire, especially with these kinds of coins that are so unregulated, but obviously a massive opportunity for some people that have made quite a significant amount of money off this. What is this, around a 3x from this low just a few days ago? In 4 days it's essentially a 3x in price, so you could have bought like $1,000 down here, be up around $3,000 here, which is interesting indeed, isn't it? So really, you know, not that much price data to go on for Pepe. This is going to be driven by pretty much hype alone. And right now, I'm probably expecting either, like I said, one of two things to happen. Continuation to the upside with no regard whatsoever for getting overextended. Or doing something like this where, you know, we come back down, have a consolidation, and then another continuation like this. So that is really it, guys. There's not that much to talk about, really, is there? Not that much price data to go by. If you look at the daily time frame, you can see not that much to go by whatsoever. This crypto's only been around for about, what is it, half a month, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks from its crazy initial inception. So really we're just waiting to see what happens next, and that is it. So thank you very much for watching. As always, please do like and subscribe. You're all absolute legends, and if you do want to support the channel, become a YouTube member. That would be very much appreciated. And with all that being said, I will see you in the next video.